Hi everyone, today we're on a fish market and you see what's going on.
And here it is, the biggest fish market in the world. The building is impressive. Let's go see what's inside. Sushi bar. The lobsters. Lots of Chinese people. The fish can be alive. And bad taste.
And now we can see lots of local fish, swordfish. We passed kingfish, a fish produced in Australia, a huge range of fish.
Cut the head up from here and I put the long string. Yeah, and just put it. May bleed it now. Yeah. And then bleeding out of the dish.
Fried, cooked. Oysters in Sydney. Veg. A wide variety and cooked like this. All this local Australian fish. Australia doesn't import, it only imports some fish from New Zealand. Everything else is local. More sashimi. Lots of options for more sashimi. Oysters. Here are huge oysters. Smaller oysters. These are prices per dozen. More oysters, 3 or 4. Here we have 24 Sydney oysters. Sydney has clean water. Shrimp. I recommend trying this fish called barramundi. And snapper is also not bad, and also Australian salmon. This is cooked fish at the market. Here in front of us is the old fish market. That blue building. That's it, it closed. And everything moved to the new fish market, which is the biggest in the world. Well, the size is certainly impressive. I came towards the end of the fish market's working hours. Anzac Bridge. So there's plenty of space. Good sun protection. Lots of tables. There. The main thing is to come in the morning, although the market is open until late in the evening. Interesting get fish, meaning get fish, and here it's get sashimi, and in general a large selection of different sashimi. Here is a classic sushi place, sushi train. All these different oysters and rolls. An interesting new system. Scanned the receipt at the market, inserted the banknote, and there they gave you your change. Practically no human needed. Machines do everything, just like that. You pick it up online and then you can sit with a beautiful view